Hello, this is Keith Comer with Respect Public Schools. I wanted to talk about Lifewise Academy and the educator survey. Last year's educator survey, as you can see on the screen, said that 90% of public school teachers that took the survey thought that Lifewise was a benefit to the school. The funny thing about that is the survey wasn't exactly accurate. Anybody that put that they thought Lifewise was neutral, that they didn't agree or disagree, Lifewise said that they agree that it's a benefit to the school. So then they modified the survey at some point during 2024, and that's what this looks like now. So if you go to the website, this is what the survey looks like. And you'll notice that it went from 10% disagree to 8% disagree, and then now 16% neutral, 76% agree. I'm not sure how the disagree went down just by adding in the neutral answers. The other thing that is kind of interesting with this survey is that you'll see, and if I pull down to the bottom of it, there were 769 educators that responded. That may sound like a lot, and Lifewise uses this, to indicate that it's such a good program. So many teachers are for it. When this survey was taken, Lifewise was in approximately 394 schools, which was about 10,500 teachers. So they had about 7% of the teachers in the schools that they were in responded. So that means that we're talking less than 2 teachers per school responded to them. Of those, only 584 thought that it was a benefit to the school. So we're talking 1.5 teachers or 1.5 people that took the survey thought that it was a benefit to the school on average across all the schools that Lifewise is in. So one person in each school thought that Lifewise benefited the school. So when you see them post these surveys, these teacher surveys, know that it is a small fraction, I mean very small fraction of the teachers that actually respond, and then those that do, it's a small fraction that think that it actually benefits the school. So it helps to look at the numbers. It helps to understand the scale of these, and Lifewise will say that teachers overwhelmingly think that Lifewise benefits the school, but we're talking a little over 1 teacher per school thinks it's a benefit. So this isn't the resounding everybody loves Lifewise game that they keep on saying. So we'll see what the 2025 survey looks like. I'm not sure when it's going to come out. They usually send the surveys to the schools to send to the teachers at the beginning of April. So I'm assuming maybe June or July, they'll probably release that data on their website, or they won't want to anymore because it's not going to make them look good. But I just wanted to share some info about that teacher survey, and so everybody can have an idea of what the numbers actually mean and what that looks like in the real world. I'll probably make another one of these about all the fun things I think Lifewise is doing. Have a good day.